Christmas in Jersey, right after autumn falls, soaking it all in. Then we gon' hit the mall, even though we ain't ballin'. Feels like we bought it all, mistletoe's right here, so give a kiss to Santa Claus.
Hey you guys, it's Christmas Eve, y'all. It doesn't even feel like it's Christmas Eve, like, at all, but it is. So tomorrow's Christmas. I have not wrapped or made anything. What I'm doing for Christmas this year is gift baskets. So I bought like 6 crates, and every crate is for whoever's in the house. The only person who didn't get a crate was my baby brother, but I did get him a few things. I didn't get him too much because his birthday is like January 6th, so what, a week and a half from now, or maybe 2, like, bro. So yeah, but everybody else got a basket. I actually just came back from Target, Athlete's Foot, and like grocery shopping and stuff like that, the dollar store. So yeah, the room is clean though. You know, you gotta clean during the holidays, like the day before the event or the week holding up, whatever. So that's what I did today. Cleaned up my room, put some new bed sheets on. I was waiting for my mom to come up upstairs to like fix my bed for me for a little bit. I actually ordered these pillow covers, and I actually need to show y'all what the bed looks like now. But I ordered these pillow covers. I'm gonna pop it on the screen somewhere to match like the sheet part. Super cute. And then I got the white ones, of course, because yeah. But my room is finally coming together, so I'm excited. I can't wait to do like a room tour, room reveal for you guys. But yeah, so I'm about to do my nails right now. I'm gonna show you guys what they look like, and I'm gonna show y'all the whole process. I just didn't want the whole video to be like a montage. Like, I want to talk to you guys, and I don't want it to be so quiet. But you know, my girl Glitter Up Glam Nails. Is it focusing? These are the nails that I'm gonna be putting on. Super cute, Christmas vibes, of course. And after I put these on, I'm gonna hop right in the shower, shave my armpits and stuff like that, and then put my Christmas PJs on. door. It's about to be Christmas. But
9 o'clock was the party and hoes.
You were late.
she's the one that we're waiting on,
Oh.
so.
Yeah, you were
Anyways, we're gonna make some hot cocoa bombs. We already have, my mom made some red velvet cake, so we're not gonna bake anymore.
She made that quick.
late. Make some
And I have my
chocolate-
Grinch onesie on, but I changed.
You can
Yeah.
make chocolate chip cookies.
You're welcome.
You
Hoes is
lied.
matching me.
No.
You
Anyway,
lied.
what?
I thought we were making the chocolate chip cookies.
Oh, we're gonna make chocolate chip cookies, but the ones that are already like.
That take 2 seconds.
So,
And she's gonna do a gingerbread house.
Birds.
what?
They only have like a couple of these left.
One.
This is the last one of this one,
Yeah.
but not the other ones. So,
So cute.
yeah. I gotta go on TikTok and look at it again just to make sure. But
Can I make myself a copy?
That's nuts, Lily.
Yeah. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside. TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas around me, ride or die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside. TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas around me, ride or die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. 2-turn baby girl, you know me. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just threw on a hoodie, it's a Crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things just started getting tense up. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart try to phone. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss ya. Right now, I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside. ET, 2-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas around me, ride or die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. 2-turn baby girl, you know me. Yeah. Heart still on javelin, baby. 2-turn baby girl, you know me. I was pulling off where they knew me. Sometimes I wish there was 2 of me and 3 of me when it was you and me.
hey guys, so it's 2 o'clock in the morning, and I have not done nothing. It's literally Christmas Day, and I have not done nothing. So we're about to do that. We'll see what time we finish. It's about to be 2 o'clock on the dot right now. And I'm gonna go ahead and grab everything. Everything is in my closet right now. I'm gonna show y'all a few of the things. I'm not gonna go over everything that I got. I'm just gonna tell y'all, show whatever. 'Cause I kind of organized everything a little bit. So I gotta get this done. I said everything's in the closet. So open it up. Like my closet is a mess, y'all. Okay? So I told you guys I'm doing gift baskets. So I have 6 of these. I was gonna put them on my bed, but my sheets are white, and I'm hoping like nothing stains it. I don't know. I'm gonna put them on the floor for right now and figure this out. So 6 of these, I got these at Michael's. 3 of them I got on sale, and the other 3 I had to pay full price. I'm gonna wrap some of the items, so I think I'm gonna wrap whatever I need to wrap first, and then just start filling up the baskets, because the wrapping part can take some time. Oh, and I forgot to show y'all the nails. Let me do that. No, my camera had died like midway, so these are what they look like. We love her. I haven't had nails on in so long, like I don't even know how to cooperate with them. I'm about to have to put some Christmas music on, get in my zone. Or I'm probably just gonna watch like a YouTube video or something. And everybody better give me these baskets back, okay? Cause I need that. Alright, so I have all the bins right here. Now, on to everything else. Oh god. And then we have this box. This is my old Coach bag box, and it was sitting in my closet, so I put all like the main gifts in here, and then whatever couldn't fit is in this basket. So everybody got so everybody pretty much got like one main gift, and then if I wanted to add little knickknacks and stuff, they got little knickknacks. And I'm out of breath because wow, everything's heavy. Everybody got favorite snacks, drinks, candies, things like that. So we're gonna put this together right now. I did want to make a TikTok, but like, bro, I'm already filming, so I'm probably not. As you can see, it's 5:32 a.m. I'm going to sleep. I ran out of tape and I don't feel like going back downstairs. And then yeah, I have to get like those little tags or stickers to write to and from. I have 2 gifts to wrap, and then I have to put the baskets in like clear wrapping. So I'm gonna do that whenever I wake up. But I'm gonna brush my teeth and go to sleep. I'm gonna put these in the closet just in case somebody tries to walk in here. But y'all, my mom's basket, I was struggling. Like, I had to make it work. I was like, bro, I'm going to make it work. Everything's gonna fit in here, okay? But and hers is right here. But I'm excited to see how everything comes together. And I wish I would have got my dad some more stuff. I thought I did, but I swear. Good morning, you guys. Merry Christmas. It's 10:58, so basically 11. I didn't finish until like almost 6 o'clock in the morning. It was like 5:30 something. And I didn't like fully finish. I ran out of tape. Didn't feel like going back downstairs. We don't have any more bows, so I'm sad. I have 2 more gifts to wrap, and they're for my baby brother. And then I gotta put like the little sticker labels on there, like to and from. And then I have to put the clear wrapping, gift tag, and all that on the actual baskets. But the baskets are done. I ended up putting them on the side of my bed. It was just easier that way. So yeah, we're gonna finish wrapping. So these are all the gifts laid against my bed. Good thing I didn't like jump up or anything, because I definitely would have had my toe or something on the baskets. But Look at everything. It's giving exactly what it's supposed to. I love that.